Good morning. Beautiful morning. Blossom, sunrise. Sort of day you want to get up. What am I thinking about today? Well, it's not all negative for a change, although there is a lot of negativity. But when you're surrounded by blossom, daffodils, crocuses, animals, all running around Riverside Country Park, you don't feel particularly negative. It feels like winter's gone, spring is definitely here, everybody's coming back to life. And there's new life in our family coming, which is what I'm thinking about. I'm making a connection. We're going to become grandparents for the first time, aren't we, darling?
We are. Grandma and Grandad, here we are.
So thinking about new life whilst we're surrounded by the sprouting of new life. So that's me being positive for a change. Sure it won't last. Life on the beach, what could be better? I wonder when that happened. That used to be the edge. Coastal erosion. There's no coming back for that poor old boat. What a shame. The beginnings of everything coming back to life.